Here's another viral recipe you guys have been asking for, the McCormick's Smashburger seasoning. So we're making it today with the same bold flavors, or even better. You can find all the ingredients, measurements, and directions in the description. Let's start with 2 tablespoons of salt, which is going to be our base. Then add in 2 teaspoons of ground black pepper for that perfect kick. Next, add 2 teaspoons of garlic powder and 2 teaspoons of onion powder. This will be the classic combo for that deep, savory flavor. Now let's spice it up with 2 teaspoons of paprika, followed by 1 teaspoon of ground celery seed for that signature Smashburger taste. Then, add in a teaspoon of mustard powder to bring a little tang. And finally, here goes half a teaspoon of dried parsley to balance it all out with a touch of freshness. Now you need to give everything a nice mix using a large spoon or a small whisk. Just make sure everything is well blended to get that amazing flavor we aim for. Okay, that looks perfect, all mixed up and ready to go. This batch makes roughly a 1/4 cup, so yeah, enough for a few rounds of burgers. Just spoon a bit over each patty before smashing, and trust me, the flavor's gonna be unreal. Now, if you somehow have any left, pop it into a jar with a tight lid. It'll keep fresh for months. But yeah, good luck with that, because once you try it, you'll be whipping up another batch in no time.